Hey, are you suffering from the feeling of anger? You want to eliminate the feeling of anger. If you say yes, comment below. And this video is yours. My name is Meleksedek, and I'm here to help you or to clean the feeling of anger from your life and start a new life. Start a new life for anger out of from your life. Start a beautiful life, life of happiness, life of joys, life of harmony. If it's the first time to this channel, my name is Meleksedek, and I'm a law of attraction coach. So in this video, I'm going to explain how anger absorbing in your life, or how anger be projected from your life or on your life or family connection. Anger, when we discuss the anger is a feeling or a memory that you absorb from the certain source, and then they absorbed by your subconscious mind. Remember, we have two minds. We have the conscious mind, and then we have the subconscious mind. Hey, listen to this. Ask how the anger absorbed by the subconscious mind. So people absorb the anger feeling from the ancestor to ancestor. People absorb the anger from the mother womb. During the pregnancy time, maybe the mother went in a difficult situation, and that feeling that time, it forms something and then stored in the subconscious mind. In the subconscious mind, it cannot be controlled. So the subconscious mind is control the feeling and the thought. People absorb the anger feeling from the childrenhood through abuse. People absorb the anger feeling from the programming by the parents and the guardians, family issue. So, and all this thought is stored in the subconscious mind. So there's a lot of information in the subconscious mind. And then, and most of people, they absorb this feeling. If you are staying in a toxic environment, people absorb this feeling. If you are staying with your negative people, this experience passed down generation to generation, generation to generation. So we need to disconnect from this, from the family, because if you see all this explanation is just from the family, from the ancestor to the mother, children who, and and the people surrounding you. You need to disconnect from this. And this feeling now start to show up. You start to express this feeling to the out, as if it's a problem from outside. So in our body, we have a center for energy, and if this center for energy is not balanced, if it is energy in imbalance, like the anger is under the root chakra, and the root chakra is found in our body below our spine here. But I will have the video for this one. I will show how to open or the the energy in your body, because we have the mind power of the center of energy, the chakras, like we have crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, and sacral chakra and root chakra, where the anger is also. If we have an imbalance of the root chakra, then the anger start to show up. I'll show you in the next video. Just if you're interested, just leave the comment down there. Then the next video will be about the chakra, how to balance the chakra. So the root chakra is the foundation of all the 7 chakras. So if the root chakras in imbalance, then all the 6 chakras will remain in balance, and the energy you start have the shuttle of the energy in the body, and those feelings start to show up. I say we need to balance this chakra, and because this feeling starts to show up as a form of anger. Okay, now I'm going to show you or to practice how to heal this anger feeling in your life. Okay, just take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Now repeat after me. We're going to tap here. So we're going to open the energy in our body. And repeat after me loudly. All negative energy in my body release. All anger from ancestor to ancestor release. Anger from the mother womb release. Anger from the children release. Anger from the family release. Anger from the toxic environment release. Anger from the negative people around me release. Anger from the workplace release. Anger, wherever coming from, release. All anger from the ancestor to ancestor release. All anger from the mother release. All anger from children release. All anger from the guardian's parent release. All anger from the family release. All anger from the ancestor release. All anger from wherever I step release. All anger that I'm projected by consciousness and the unconscious release. All anger in my life release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Now, close your eyes. Bring your hands together and repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility for this anger in my life. I take 100% responsibility for all the anger that projected in my life. I take 100% responsibility for all the anger that be projected in my life. I'm sorry for this anger. I'm sorry for creating this anger. Please forgive me for creating this anger. Thank you for this anger. I love to heal this anger with love and care. I love you. I love you in this. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear anger, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Comment below with one point, with one word. How do you feel right now? If you are very interested, join my WhatsApp group. The links below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends who are go through this emotional problem. We need to heal our friends. We need to heal our family. So we need to heal the world. We need peace. We need the love. Be happy and be